At Jewellery Clinic, Kelowna, we specialize in giving new life to your treasured pieces. Whether it's resizing, restoring, or creating something new, our master goldsmiths are here to help. Our jeweler in Kelowna, British Columbia, provides exceptional craftsmanship and personalized service. From delicate repairs to custom creations, we do it all. We understand that every piece of jewelry has a story. Let us preserve those memories with our meticulous repairs and restorations. Using advanced technology and the finest materials, we ensure your jewelry stays beautiful and secure. We're passionate about bringing your vision to life. Our services include expert ring resizing, diamond setting, and intricate repairs. Each project is handled with the utmost care and precision. We believe in transparency and honesty. We'll walk you through every step of the process so you feel confident and informed. Visit our website at jewelleryclinickelowna.ca to see how we can help you. You can also contact us by phone at 236-420-0340 to discuss your needs. Jewellery Clinic, Kelowna, bringing new life to your precious pieces.